Hi everybody, it's Lavita from La Vida Loca, and this is Shades of Green, room 349 in the Magnolia Wing. So as you come in the front door, you have your bathroom on your right, and me, hello. Standard bathtub, but with the rounded rod, slip mat, no rack, just a standard plain bathtub. They do have a few little amenities here. Some extra washcloths, a pretty mirror. No makeup mirror. And this one doesn't have a separation between the toilet and the bathtub. The ones over in the palm wing do, I think, for the most part. And this one has the smaller vanity. And I've had every single variation. Like the ones with the really long vanity are nice if you're on a girls trip. But it's just me and my husband this time, so that's fine. Full-length mirror. Yay. Here in the closet, you've got your extra bedding, iron, and then back in the corner, a pretty big safe. Okay, slowly, as to not make you dizzy. One of the things I like in Shades of Green is that there is a ceiling fan. I think this is the only resort on Disney World that has one. I'm not sure. Maybe some of the older DVCs do, but it's really nice. This is a standard 2-queen room. Most of the shades are 2 queens. I haven't found USB ports, but there is an outlet on the side of the bed, and there's an outlet on each side of the lamp. And queen beds, they're decent. Over here is a table. And some of the rooms have a lamp back there. This one does not, but there is an outlet, so you can charge some more things. We'll look on the balcony in a minute. This is the standard Shades couch that actually is a flap down, not a pull out. I slept on that last trip, and it was decent. I was able to sleep. I did need a Tylenol and Benadryl, but then I was able to sleep all night. Nice Shades art. Lamp, TV, refrigerator. Three big drawers and a cubby. Your coffee, and it's one of those where you put the little pods in the tray, so not really like something you could bring from home. I like this little bench right here. I tend to resort hop a lot, so sometimes I don't unpack, and that makes a good place for me to just open my luggage. It's also a good place just to put your shoes on, whatever. This one has the potential to be an adjoining room, and there's the trash and recycle. So again, this one is in the Magnolia Wing, and it is a poolside. I prefer the poolside of the Magnolia pool. This one is the poolside to the, what do you call it, Millpond. The downside to that is Evergreens is right there, you know, which that's nice. It has some good food, but they do announce the names over a loudspeaker so that people can come get their food, and it's loud. So until Evergreens closes, we'll be hearing that loudspeaker calling people to come get their food. That's very pretty. You can see the splash pad. And it's a really beautiful day. It's December. Actually, no, it's November. Almost December. It's supposed to be in the 60s, 70s today. There's always a little bit of humidity here, so, you know, you still don't have to dress heavy. And you have your standard shades, 2 chair and table on the balcony. So there you have it. Shades of Green, room 349 in the Magnolia Wing, poolside over the Millpond pool.